Yesterday was not an ordinary day. It was one of those once in a decade kind of moves. And everything looked completely fine. But then the US markets opened. Bitcoin started to dump first, gold followed, silver, and the stock market. In 1 hour, over $5 trillion got wiped out across the markets. And in this video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you exactly how I traded gold. So the day started off with me seeing that there is some kind of rejection towards the upside, specifically in this area over here. Price pushed up, came back down, pushed up, came back down. My market state indicator, my custom market state indicator was telling me sells. What I was looking for here is that we were in a bearish state. Price action was forming consistent lower highs, pushing towards the downside. Once we broke the VWAP, I started shorting with an idea of just targeting the bottom layer of the VWAP deviation. That's what I did, not very successfully, because the market just tanked beyond it. Didn't rush though. I waited. Price came back, still in a bearish state, took 2 more shorts once a potential top started forming here. Then beyond that, took a stop loss here, took another take profit here by targeting the previous low. That worked out great. Beyond that, I took another loss here, took another trade here, and remember what I'm trying to do is just keep my stops below the swings or above the swings high. So I took 2 more trades over here, that worked out great, and then I took another short here, that didn't work out. Still in a bearish state, tried to hit the top deviation, couldn't, broke out the VWAP, took profit, broke out the VWAP, took profit, and then the lower highs were forming, and they were pretty consistent here, very nice and strong. Rejection of the VWAP, lower high. Took those trades, even though they don't seem big. Each one of these is over 11,000 points in profit. Now, you can see these cluster gray areas right here. You see this? I took profit at this. Initially, I wanted to go down here, but my profit was way too big. And in fact, as you can see on the screen right now, I actually sent a text message to my WhatsApp group. And if you look at the second message below, I say, if you look further down, we see these next areas being important for supports. I guess if gold goes down, it could come all the way down here before maybe finding buyers again. And then if you look at it, we do breach this level, we come to the next one, and that's where we find support. I don't trade beyond this because my profit was phenomenal. So if yesterday caught you off guard, that's totally okay. All you need to do now is go back in time, open up your charts, study the market moves, do the work, and you're going to start building up clarity. Then what worked yesterday, apply into today. Essentially, wait. Sit there and wait, and then put some risk on.